Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clone apps on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So there is actually an alternative to cloning apps because there is no feature that is called dual apps or duplicate apps or something similar to that. Instead we have multiple users feature that we can access through settings. So we can go to the settings, scroll down to system, and then over here we have multiple users. We need to of course enable the multiple users. So let's tap on the slider, and then you can add new user, and you need to set up a new user that will have everything completely new. So whenever you create a new user, it's like a completely new phone, because when you run the user for the first time, you will have the initial setup, you will have no apps or everything. So just to showcase the difference, I'm gonna actually change the theme on this one, because like I said, everything is changed. Even the security measurements like the screen lock, the pin code or something, everything is separate. But it also means that we have different apps as well. So as you can see over here, I have some apps installed like TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. But if we go to system and then multiple users, then of course I have this new user that I created before. Then I can switch to my new user. And now over here you will see that my theme is the default one, and I have no apps over here. If I open the app drawer, those apps that I had before are missing. And this is, like I said, because we have a completely new profile, and every profile has its own settings, its own apps, everything, pretty much everything. And what we can do is install the app one more time. So in this case I have to log into to Google, because I didn't do that. And now I can download TikTok on this user. And once I do, and if I open it, then of course I will not be signed in. I will be creating a new account, or I will have to log in one more time, etc. So this is how it looks like. I have nothing over here, right? And now we can go back to my initial user, my main one. In order to do that, we need to swipe from the top to the bottom like so, and then one more time. And then at the bottom over here, we have the user icon. We can tap on it and then switch to the main user. And there we go. Now, let me unlock my phone. And over here, you will see that once again, I have everything back. But if I go to TikTok, I have, of course, my account. I'm still logged in, etc. There we go. So there we go. So this is how we can clone our apps. It is not user-friendly because we have to go through these users all the time if needed. But at least there is a way to separate everything if we want to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.